When you search for the best new amazing kitchen gadgets, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, TrendPlane Olive Oil Sprayer. Let's kick things off with the TrendPlane 16 Oz Glass Olive Oil Sprayer. Priced at just $8.99, this gadget immediately caught my eye because of its sleek design and the fact that it's a bestseller with over 43,100 reviews. If you want to control your oil intake while cooking, this is worth a serious look. Each spray dispenses just 0.15 g of oil, which is fantastic for those looking to manage their daily fat intake without wasting any. Plus, the precision nozzle allows you to drizzle or mist, making it perfect for air frying or dressing salads. And let's not forget, it's made from BPA-free glass, so you know it's safe to use. Now, some people have mentioned that the sprayer can get clogged if not cleaned properly. Here's the thing though, if you maintain it by regularly rinsing it out, you shouldn't run into issues. For anyone aiming for healthier cooking without the mess, this sprayer is a must-have. This is perfect for you if you love cooking with oils but want to keep it healthy. Skip this one if you prefer using pre-packaged oils and don't want to deal with any cleaning. Now, if the cleaning issue with the TrendPlane sprayer bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2, Kongnai Kitchen Funnel Set. Next up is the Kongnai Kitchen Funnel Set, which you can snag for just $5.48. This set of 4 collapsible silicone funnels instantly stood out to me because of its practicality and vibrant colors. If you're tired of messy pourings, this gadget deserves your attention. These funnels are not only food grade and heat resistant, but they are also designed to save space in your kitchen. The collapsible feature means you can easily store them away, taking up less room than a single traditional funnel. They're super easy to clean too. Just a quick wash in warm soapy water or toss them in the dishwasher and you're good to go. Plus, with their flexibility, they can fit into various containers, making pouring liquids a breeze. However, a few users have mentioned that they can be a bit flimsy. Honestly, if you're not rough with them, they should hold up fine. So if you're looking for a simple solution to streamline your kitchen tasks, these funnels are a great investment. This is perfect for you if you often transfer liquids and want to avoid spills. Skip this one if you only occasionally need funnels and prefer sturdier options for heavy-duty tasks. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need versatile mixing tools. Product number 3, Umite Chef Mixing Bowls Set. Third on my list is the Umite Chef Mixing Bowls Set, priced at $35.99. This 26-piece set caught my attention because it comes with airtight lids and greater attachments, making it more than just a simple mixing bowl. If you want to elevate your cooking game with organization, check this out. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls in place while mixing, preventing any messy spills. Plus, with sizes ranging from 1QT to 7QT, you'll always have the right bowl. The fact that it's dishwasher safe makes cleanup a breeze, and the greater attachments are a fantastic bonus for prepping vegetables. However, some users have reported that the lids can be difficult to clean. But honestly, if you hand wash them right after use, it's not a deal breaker. If you appreciate a tidy kitchen and versatile cooking tools, this set is perfect for you. This is great for anyone who loves to cook and wants quality mixing bowls. Skip this if you're looking for something more basic or don't want to deal with multiple pieces. Now, if you need something that simplifies prep even more, the next gadget is definitely worth a look. Product number 4, Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Coming in at number 4 is the Fullstar Pro Original Vegetable Chopper, priced at $23.73. This gadget is all over TikTok, and for good reason. If you want to save time on vegetable prep, this is worth a serious look. The Fullstar Chopper offers a 5-cup capacity and can dice vegetables in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for those busy weeknights when you're trying to whip up something healthy. It features heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel blades that stay sharp and can chop, slice, and spiralize, all in one tool. Cleanup is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for anyone who hates scrubbing. That said, some reviewers noted that it can be a bit tricky to get the lid on properly. I'll be real with you, if you're not careful while setting it up, it can be frustrating. But once you get the hang of it, it's a total time saver. If you're someone who wants to make meal prep easier and more efficient, this chopper is a great investment. This is perfect for busy individuals or families who want to cook healthy meals quickly. Skip this if you prefer traditional chopping methods and don't mind spending more time in the kitchen. Alright, we've covered some great options. But if you're someone who wants an all-in-one solution for chopping, slicing, and more, the last product is definitely for you. Product number 5, MULLER Home Pro Series Chopper. Last but not least, we have the MULLER Home Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper for $29.99. This gadget stands out because of its versatility and quality, making it a favorite among home cooks. If you're looking for a reliable kitchen tool that does it all, this is definitely worth checking out. It's designed to be user-friendly, and the built-in food holder keeps your fingers safe while you chop. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, which is a must-have feature for any kitchen gadget. However, some users have complained about the need to be gentle with the blades to avoid bending. But honestly, with a little care, this chopper can last you a long time. If you want to simplify your meal prep while making sure you have a quality tool, this chopper is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking but wants to save time and effort. Skip this if you're looking for something with fewer features or if you only chop occasionally. Now, let's wrap up and compare all the amazing gadgets we've covered. So to wrap it up, we've covered some amazing kitchen gadgets today. The Trend Plain Olive Oil Sprayer for controlled cooking, the Kongnai Funnel Set for mess-free pouring, the Umite Chef Mixing Bowls for organized prep, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper for quick dicing, and the MULLER Home Chopper for all-in-one versatility. Each of these tools can save you time and enhance your cooking experience. Happy cooking, and I hope you find the perfect gadget for your kitchen.